every journey, safety starts from the inside. And for 31 years, Fuchun Tyre has been committed to building inner tubes that protect every ride, reliable, durable, and trusted worldwide. With 31 years of production experience and 20 years of global exporting, we now serve 130+ countries. Experience you can trust, quality you can rely on. Our high-efficiency production lines ensure stable output, consistent quality, and fast delivery, meeting the needs of global distributors, wholesalers, and OEM partners. From car, motorcycle, to bicycle tubes, and high-intensity flaps, each product is engineered to perform under high pressure, high temperature, and tough road conditions. Quality is more than a promise, it's a system. Every tube goes through strict air tightness tests, pressure endurance tests, and full process inspection, ensuring long-lasting reliability. With 20 years of export expertise, we understand global standards and customer needs, offering competitive pricing, stable supply, and customized OEM services. 31 years of craftsmanship, 130+ global markets, millions of rides protected. Fuchun Tyre is your trusted inner tube supplier. For today, for tomorrow, for every journey.